Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about one shot that I don't see anyone teaching this, and I don't see many of these shots and videos about this. And basically is when you have the ball on this side of the court a little bit higher, and of course we teach to go around, and especially me, to go around and play one forehand, and then you can attack this ball. I'm going to play slow because of my camera, and then you can keep moving to the net and make the difference. You can also do one slice here using this footwork or this one here. So basically you can use this slice here and keep moving to the net. Of course you can hit one backhand, but the question is how you can hit this backhand. And if you see this shot after this, you can see, oh, finally I have another option and I don't need to run so much, because to play always forehand in this side of the court, especially over 30 years old, is tough, especially if you play also for over 3 hours one match. So the footwork that I want to talk here and I want to teach you how to do is when you really have the ball higher and you need to hit this ball when the ball is bouncing up at the chest height, and you do this footwork here. It's called the jump, the backhand jump. So basically you see the ball higher, you go and you do, sorry, I need to repeat again. Maybe I don't need this ball here, but basically you see the ball when the ball is bouncing up, and then you play. I need to feed another ball. Also because I have my phone there and I don't want to break the phone. But basically the ball is coming, you do this, and then you keep moving to the net. I'll show you one more from this side. The ball is coming and here, and basically what you need to do here is to jump while the ball is bouncing. So the ball is coming, wait, the ball is coming, and then you jump and you hit the ball when the ball is on the rise and in front of you. And here is important two things. First, to play and keep your elbows up. So you play this ball, keep your elbows up with distance between your forearms and your body. And second, at the same time you hit, to go with this left leg back. So you hit the ball and you do this to generate even more power. I'll show you one more. And this, okay? And then after this shot, you hit the ball, you hit, and then you keep moving 1, 2, split step, and you keep moving to the net. This shot is super helpful. I will do a few of these with the ball machine. If I have a chance, I can put it here. Otherwise, you can watch in shorts also, but I'll show one more time this, and then you keep moving to the net. This was good, but I don't think you watch. And basically it's a short preparation here. You don't need to do this loop here. You just go, okay? And then when you do this, you hit and you keep. This shot is gonna help you a lot. Try to work without ball first, jumping, playing high here, and you will see a huge difference. Usually you play this ball down the line, but be careful because down the line is for his forehand. And if you go to the net, you can do the passing shot. So you can also change for cross court. I would do it cross court. And you can also pretend that you're going to do this and then do a drop shot last moment. If you like Monfils or if you like this kind of shots, is amazing. Is another option. I hope you try it. Give it a try. Do this with your coach or with the ball machine, and you will see a huge difference, especially when you are getting tired in matches and you have an extra shot to use, and yeah, you're gonna improve your level. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.